Hello friends, it's Patrick here, and today I had a moment of weakness on Amazon. This, my friends, is a action cam, and you may be confused if you've watched some of my past videos. I recently got a GoPro, and I was complaining about its cost versus how much it can actually do. So then I went on Amazon and I was trolling around on what they sell, and I saw this. This, my friends, is a cheapie. It's $50 Australian. And it comes with waterproof. It's an action cam. It's got Wi-Fi, light dose sticker. That's very important. It's got a connectivity to your phone, maybe Wi-Fi, maybe Bluetooth. It has got 30 meters depth because it's waterproof, because that's how you mark it. 2-inch LCD. Where can you get a 2-inch LCD for $50? And it's full HD. It is for windsurfing, cycling, motocross, surfing, climbing, skating, canoeing, and riding. It's not for snowboarding for some reason. It comes with multiple colors. It's got a 12 megapixel CMOS sensor, wireless Wi-Fi, we talked about that. Actually, it's a 2.1 inch LCD. 14 megapixels recording, so this can do 4K at 30 frames. How amazing. And it can do some other stuff here. So it's weird because these image resolutions aren't actually what it is. So we'll look into it in a second. I don't trust any of this. Oh, and by the way, it's multi-purpose. It's also home recorder, home burglar, diving, marine sports, outdoor sports, and car. This is very, very confusing. So let's open it up. The box is destroyed. It's traveled a long way from to get to Perth, Australia. And funny thing is, this fits exactly the GoPro attachments. So those bastards decided that, well, you know, if GoPro is making these attachments, we'll just, you know, make a cameras fit them. So we've got this one here, which is a window for the back, I'm guessing. We've got some straps and accessories. I mean, when's the last time a GoPro came with this much accessories? Look at this. And this is kind of wasteful for me because I've already got all these accessories. Oh, as you can see, this is a European charging dock. It is so cheap. This is terrible, absolute terrible. So we'll put that to the side. I'm going to put these to the side. These are useless. Here's a USB for it. A belt clip, some random attachments. Here's a housing attachment if you want to just have it on empty and not waterproof. A cleaning cloth. How fantastic. Stickers, a metal wire, some clips, and an extreme sports camera product specification. And yeah, I'm not gonna read that, but let's have a look at the actual camera. Let's open it up. It's heavy. I mean, I don't know if it's a housing that's heavy, but there's a lot of plastic stickers on here. So let's take it off. There's one, there's another one here, if I can get that with my short nails. There we go, got it. And there's another one underneath. This is the old school, okay, this is the old school GoPro box. So let's take it out. Okay, now it's light. I was lying, it was extremely heavy box. And then we've got a cover for this. Light Dow 4K camera. On the back of the box, it actually says it's not 4K. So I don't know what this means. And I don't know what this Light Dow sticker is. And this is very scratchy stuff. All right, let's see if we can turn it on, if there's any battery in it. There is. Sports XDV. Wow, this is amazing. Well, it actually looks pretty good. Is it touchscreen? No, this is not touchscreen, my friends. There's buttons on the side, and there's this thing here. What is this thing? I think it's the battery, but let's have a look at what it has. Up and down. I don't know what I just did. Okay, let's try mode. Photo, 1080p 60 frames. Wow. Oh, settings. Hang on, we got it. We're in settings now. How do we navigate? Okay. Okay, here we go. Resolution, we can change it. What's the maximum? 4K 30 frames, my friends. Let's set that as that. Recording sound, yes. Slow motion, no. Motion detection, wow. Okay, and now how do I go back? Okay, mode. Photo resolution, exposure, look at all these settings. Let's turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, maybe not, let's go back, let's leave that alone. Oh, it's an SSD, it's got its own little Wi-Fi. That is amazing. Press up to exit Wi-Fi, okay. Image rotation, diving mode, light source frequency, auto sense, screensaver, auto shutdown 5 minutes. Wow. Time mark, time watermark. These are extremely good little settings. Let's see what's in the next box. Language, English, date format, reset to factory firmware version, and press OK to exit. My friends, this is 4K 30 frames, the same that you get on the GoPro, and it costs $50. Let's see if the quality is any good. This was just an unboxing, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly run outside, I'm gonna record a bit of it so you can get a sample of it, and then we'll talk about it in the full review. Wow, look at that. Look at these. Wow. Okay. Friends, thank you very much for watching. This has been a 4K, 2.4 gigahertz Ultra HD light out 4K camera unboxing. $50 Australian. Friends, I'll catch you in another video. Bye.